This is your host. Today we are going to reveal 15 Brazilian Wax 2.0 new techniques that will change everything. From faster and more gentle waxing to innovations that make the process almost painless, we've got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the future of Brazilian waxing. No one. Smart wax formulas. Faster, gentler, longer lasting. Smart wax technology is a revolutionary new solution that reduces the need for pre- and post-treatments, making the waxing process faster and more efficient while also being gentler on the skin. This innovative formula allows the wax to adhere only to the hair and not the skin, resulting in a more comfortable waxing experience. Additionally, Smart Wax lasts longer than traditional wax, providing a longer lasting and more effective hair removal solution. With this innovative technology, clients can achieve smooth, hair-free skin with minimal effort and downtime. Number 2. Hybrid waxing. Strip plus hard wax fusion. Hybrid waxing is the latest innovation in hair removal that combines the benefits of both strip and hard wax. It is the perfect solution for those who want to achieve a smooth, flawless finish without the pain and discomfort associated with traditional waxing methods. This technique is particularly effective when treating sensitive areas such as the face and bikini line where skin tears and ingrown hairs are a concern. The result is a long-lasting snag-free outcome that leaves the skin feeling silky and smooth. Whether you're a seasoned waxing pro or a first-timer, hybrid waxing is a must-try technique that will elevate your hair removal game to the next level. Number 3. Cooling gel wax. Pain-free innovation. Cooling gel wax is a revolutionary new product that can transform the painful waxing experience into a soothing and almost painless procedure. This innovative formula applies cool liquid wax that stays cold throughout the process, eliminating the need for hot wax and reducing discomfort by up to 95%. It's perfect for sensitive areas like the face, underarms, and bikini line where traditional waxing can be especially painful. The cooling gel wax is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, and it removes hair from the root without causing damage or irritation. Say goodbye to painful waxing sessions and hello to a more enjoyable hair removal experience with cooling gel wax. Number 4. Precision waxing tools for over 40 skin. As we age, our skin becomes more delicate and prone to damage, which means that traditional waxing methods may no longer be suitable for over 40s. Precision waxing tools offer a gentler alternative that helps to remove unwanted hair without causing skin tears, ingrown hairs, or other complications. These tools allow for more control and accuracy during the waxing process, making it safer and more effective for mature skin. Using precision waxing tools can also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin looking smoother and more youthful. Number 5. Speed waxing. Full Brazilian in half the time. Speed waxing is a revolutionary new technique that allows you to get a full Brazilian wax in just half the time. This method uses specially designed wax applicators and high-quality wax to quickly and effectively remove unwanted hair from the root. With speed waxing, you can achieve a smooth, flawless finish in no time, making it the perfect solution for those with a busy lifestyle. Number 6. Personalized wax blends for skin type. Traditional wax blends are often one-size-fits-all, which can be problematic for those with sensitive skin or specific skin types. Personalized wax blends offer a tailored solution that takes into account the unique needs of each client's skin. By using high-quality ingredients and customized wax formulas, personalized wax blends can effectively remove unwanted hair without causing irritation or discomfort. This approach also helps to minimize the risk of ingrown hairs and other complications, leaving the skin smooth and healthy. Number 7. Double Phase Wax. Peel plus smooth finish. Double phase wax is a cutting-edge innovation in hair removal that combines the convenience of a peelable wax with the smoothness of a hard wax. This versatile formula provides the best of both worlds, allowing for quick and easy hair removal, while minimizing skin damage and ingrown hairs. With double phase wax, you can achieve a flawless finish without the hassle of messy cleanup or expensive post-wax treatments. Number 8. Sensitive Skin Brazilian. Redness-free formula. Sensitive skin Brazilians are a revolutionary new solution for those who suffer from redness or irritation after waxing. This specialized treatment uses a unique blend of natural ingredients to soothe and calm the skin while effectively removing unwanted hair. With sensitive skin Brazilians, you can enjoy the benefits of a Brazilian wax without the discomfort of redness or irritation. Number 9. Stretch-free application. Less pull, more comfort. Stretch-free application is a groundbreaking new technique that significantly reduces the amount of skin stretching involved in waxing, making the process much more comfortable for clients. By using specialized wax applicators and a unique application technique, this method minimizes the pulling and stretching of the skin, reducing discomfort and sensitivity. With stretch-free application, clients can achieve a smooth, flawless finish without the pain and discomfort associated with traditional waxing methods. Number 10. Pre-wax skincare rituals that boost results. Pre-wax skincare rituals are essential for achieving optimal results during the waxing process. By properly preparing the skin before waxing, you can minimize discomfort, prevent ingrown hairs, and ensure a smooth, flawless finish. Some simple, yet effective pre-wax skincare rituals include exfoliating the skin to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs, cleansing the area with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil, and applying a topical anesthetic to reduce sensitivity. Number 11. Post-wax sealants that lock in smoothness. Post-wax sealants are an essential step in achieving long-lasting smooth skin after waxing. These sealants help to prevent ingrown hairs, reduce inflammation, and soothe the skin, leaving it silky and supple. By applying a post-wax sealant after each treatment, you can prolong the smoothness of the skin and minimize the appearance of blemishes. Number 12. AI skin scans that personalize your wax. AI skin scans have revolutionized the way waxing is performed by providing a detailed analysis of the skin's condition and hair growth patterns. This innovative technology allows estheticians to customize the waxing process to meet the specific needs of each client's skin, ensuring optimal results and a personalized waxing experience. AI skin scans can also detect potential issues such as ingrown hairs and skin discoloration, allowing for early intervention and treatment. Number 13. Temperature-controlled waxing pots. Temperature-controlled waxing pots are an innovative solution that helps estheticians achieve the perfect wax temperature for each client's skin type and hair removal needs. These pots allow for precise temperature control, ensuring that the wax is never too hot or too cold, which can cause skin damage or ineffective hair removal. By using a temperature-controlled waxing pot, estheticians can provide a safe and effective waxing experience for their clients while also customizing the treatment to meet their individual needs. Number 14. Waterless wax. No sticky residue. Waterless wax is a revolutionary new product that eliminates the need for water during the waxing process, making it more convenient and efficient for both estheticians and clients. This innovative formula applies smoothly and removes hair effectively without leaving behind a sticky residue. Waterless wax is also great for sensitive skin and can be used on the face, underarms, and bikini area. It's perfect for those who want a quick, easy, and mess-free waxing experience. Number 15. Refillable eco-friendly wax beads. Refillable eco-friendly wax beads are a sustainable and cost-effective solution for at-home waxing. These beads are made from natural ingredients and can be refilled into a reusable wax warmer, making them a great alternative to disposable wax cartridges. Not only are these wax beads better for the environment, but they are also highly effective at removing unwanted hair. They heat up quickly and provide a smooth, long-lasting result. Thank you so much for joining us today for this episode on 15 Brazilian Wax 2.0 New Techniques that will change everything. We hope that you enjoyed learning about the latest innovations in waxing technology, and that you are excited to try them out for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. And feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smooth and confident.